The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Ndlea, Enugu Command, has said the agency has prosecuted a total of 51 suspects for various drug-related offences in Enugu State. The commander of the Ndlea in the state, Abel Wadahi, who disclosed this on the occasion of the 2024 United Nations Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, also said 85 cases are pending in court. Speaking at an event to commemorate the day at the Justice Umezurike Hall High Court headquarters, Enugu, Wadahi said apart from convictions, assets of convicts used as instrumentality of crime or the proceeds derived from the drug trafficking were forfeited to federal government. Wadahi said the command also seized 1.874 tons of various drugs which include cocaine, cannabis sativa, methamphetamine, also known as ubrumiri, among others. He also disclosed that within the period under review, the command has counseled, treated, and rehabilitated 122 clients. According to him, the war against drug abuse has been a tremendous success as an effective tool of advocacy for social action and awareness-driven vehicle for public engagement and collaboration against illicit trafficking and abuse.
Our prosecution efforts in Enugu State Command have continued to achieve successes in court, given the painstaking investigation and diligence in prosecution of cases. A total of 51 suspects were prosecuted and 85 cases are pending in court. Apart from convictions, assets of convicts used as instrumentality of crime or proceeds derived from drug trafficking were forfeited to federal government of Nigeria.
In a message to the occasion, Enugu State Governor Barrister Peter Mba reiterated his administration's commitment to investing in preventive measures aimed at fighting drug abuse and illicit trafficking in the state. The governor, who was represented by the Commissioner for Health, Dr. Ike Chukwuobi, in a keynote address, said the state is prioritizing the fight against drug abuse and illicit trafficking, knowing its consequences in the society. Mba noted that his administration is investing in renovating rehabilitation center in the state, strengthening hospitals to ensure people have access to mental health care at the point of need. He called on parents, community leaders, educators, among others, to join hands with government, Ndlea, and law enforcement agencies to promote war against drug abuse, WADA, for a healthy living.
The human cost is immeasurable, but the economic impact is undeniable. Drug abuse burdens our healthcare systems, it drains our resources, and it undermines public safety. However, as the team powerfully asserts, we do not have to succumb to despair. The evidence is clear. Investing in prevention is the most effective way to break the cycle of drug abuse. This we know doesn't mean that we need to ignore the importance of law enforcement.
The chairman of the occasion and traditional ruler of Agunese Mako, Igwe Cyprian Nevolisa, represented by traditional Prime Minister High Chief Frederick Ngene in an address read by the Palace Secretary Dr. Obinna Chukwuobasi, maintained that drug abuse is dangerous to the society as most of the crises recorded in the society were under influence of dangerous drugs.
What we need to do is that we tell people that this number of drugs, talk about marijuana, talk about what we call heroin, all this and all that, and they are drugs, and they are dangerous for our use. And they care about the whole system, that society. That our youth are saved from that. That our men are saved from that.
A lecture was presented by David Folarimi of David Folarimi Foundation, while students from some secondary schools from Enugu Metropolis attended the events where they were urged to form part of agents of sensitization on WADA. High point was decoration of Governor Mba as ambassador of WADA by the commander of the agency. The World Drug Day is celebrated annually on June 26. The theme for this year's celebration is Evidence is Clear. Invest in prevention.